So the US dollar is dying. Is it going to continue? The US dollar has been dying for the last 3 months. Back in January the 31st, we gave out a free post on our Instagram page that showed exactly where to short the US dollar, given an exact region that once price pushed up into it to sell the US dollar. And we also explained on that post to buy Eurusd, Gbpusd and Aussie dollar US dollar, because once the US dollar hit our sell region, you could buy all of those three pairs and any other US dollar pair, as the US dollar would sell off and all of those pairs would fly to the upside. We've now seen on Eurusd, Gbpusd and Aussie dollar, they've all moved 1,000 pips to the upside. But what's happening now? When we shorted the US dollar, it had just taken out the monthly range highs and everybody was screaming more upside for the US dollar because it was at the height of the Trump euphoria when price took out the monthly range highs. But we went against the herd and shorted the US dollar publicly and for our members and gave you the region on where to short. Now price has tumbled and been selling off hard for 3 months. We've now hit the monthly range lows. So what's going to happen now? It's very similar to when price broke to the upside in January. We still expect more downside, but there could be a little rally to the upside first. But be very careful with this, because any rally to the upside will be short-lived, because another drive down lower has to happen before a big full-scale reversal on the US dollar. What's the good thing about all these moves is if there is a correction, we're dealing with the monthly time frames, monthly and weekly. So any correction can actually be a very large move, which we're watching for at the moment. However, like we said, there has to be another drive to the downside first before a full-scale reversal. So we are expecting more downside, but watch out for any little correction where we could buy the correction up, short that back down, and then a bigger long-term move back to the upside, and potentially longer term go back up to those monthly range highs.